Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mr. Atif Ikram Sheikh Saab, President FPCCI, Senior Vice President FPCCI, Mr. Fayaz, Saqib Fayaz Mahmood Saab, Chairman, Higher Education Commission, respected diplomats of the UAE, Oman, Qatar, and Afghanistan, Head of Trade Mission of Vietnam, Commercial Attaché Turkey, leading business members, Mr. Bashir Jan Mohammed, Mr. Akil Karim Dedi, respected Vice Chancellors and academics, Shahnaz Wazirli Sahiba, Dr. Sarosh Lodhi Saab, the others who I not see, but I'm sure there are several. Saibullah Farooq, I just saw, so I just can't miss mentioning him. Respected guests, ladies and gentlemen, and most of all, sitting at the back, the innovators of tomorrow, our youth. Assalamu alaikum. I'm really glad that I came here today. In fact, it was a few months ago that I'd gone to the Expo Center, and there the FPCCI had said that we want to do an event on our premises where we invite the innovators to come. And I said, please, whatever support you need. I'm grateful that Dr. Tariq Rafi took over that challenge, and all the others who sort of assisted in making this event today possible. I thank all of them because this is the need of the hour. Dr. Sarosh is my elder, so I'll have to follow his lead and say a few words in Urdu. The other reason is that they tell me to speak in Urdu because that's what the television channels pick up.